All right, here's Cramer's rule. I often consider this an enrichment, so don't get too out of sorts if you don't get it. I mean, I think you're capable of getting it, but again, I think it takes focus and persistence and patience and interest. But here we go. So suppose we have a system of equations, ax plus by equals e, and cx plus dy equals f. And again, our world is pretty simple. We're just working in two variables. So we have what we call the coefficient matrix. Those are the numbers in front of the x and y. And if I want to know what x is, I find the determinant of the matrix EF, the constants. I replace the AC with the EF. So I replace the x coefficients with the constants and leave b and d alone. I find the determinant of that and put it over the determinant of a. If I want to find the y, I leave the x coefficients alone and replace the y coefficients with the constants, find the determinant of that, and put that over the determinant of a. So here's our system. 9x plus 4y equals negative 6, and 3x minus 5y equals negative 21. And you guys know lots of ways to solve these now. Again, this is just having another tool in your toolbox. Sure, you're a good GS skier and a slalom skier, but can you also ski the downhill? That's what it is. Are you a one-trick pony? All right. So how am I going to find, I'm going to remind us up here. So x is the determinant of this over the determinant of a, and y is keep the x coefficients the same and put the constants there. So the first thing we should probably find is the determinant of a. So we want the determinant of the coefficient matrix is 9, 4, 3, negative 5. That's easy enough. It's 45 minus 12. Oops, this minus that. So it's negative 57. So now I have to do this. So x is going to be, replace the x coefficients with the constants, negative 6, negative 21. Leave these guys alone, and that's all going to go over negative 57. How am I going to find y? Leave these guys alone, 9 and 3. Replace the y coefficients with the constants and put that all over the determinant of a, which is negative 57. And how do we find the determinant of this? It's going to be 30 minus a negative 84. So it's going to be 30 minus a negative 84, AB minus CD. And y is going to be 9 times negative 21, which is negative 189, minus a negative 18, all over negative 57. And if you simplify that, you actually get negative 2. And if you simplify this, you actually get 3. Whoops. I hope that wasn't too bad, right? 30 is negative 6 times negative 5. It's a times b minus c times d. So it might take a little while to set it up, but in the end it goes pretty quickly. All right, I think I'm going to have to do one more video here where I show you how to do all of this on your calculators. Or maybe the next section. I haven't decided. Cramer's rule.